Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Nuggets News. In this video I want to revisit EthFinex. It's been 9 months since we first covered this on the channel and we've been talking about decentralized exchanges a lot recently. So for those that don't know, EthFinex created an exchange specifically for Ethereum and ERC20 tokens where the aim is to move to a decentralized model of exchange and governance where the community that hold their tokens make decisions about the exchange and what coins get listed. So talking of other exchanges recently, I've done detailed tutorials, guys, on Ether Delta, Radar Relay, Kyber we touched on the other day. Plenty of you guys are excited about the Binance decentralized exchange that's in the works, but EthFinex was the least voted for in that Twitter poll, and they have had a few exciting announcements that I want to go over. So as of today, you can start to participate in the governance model and choose what tokens get listed on the exchange by holding the Nectar token. So the Nectar token is the native token to this exchange and platform. Now we've seen those style of tokens perform reasonably well that have a correlation with exchange performance. So think Binance, KuCoin, and those sort of coins. Now Nectar token will have even more inbuilt sort of utility if you want to think of it that way. And I'll go over those use cases now. So if you're trading on the platform, you'll earn a percentage of fees for being a market maker. So adding liquidity to their order books there, guys, you will earn those Nectar tokens. So rather than having an ICO and raising money, they went for this model where they'll be giving it out to the people that use the platform. And over time, the people that use the platform the most will theoretically be the people that care about the platform the most, and they'll be the ones that are making the decisions about the future of the platform. So EthFinex, the exchange, has plenty of different coins, whereas EthFinex only has ERC20 tokens, but now we get to vote on which ones they'll add next. So you can have a tinker around with this. I plan on doing a very detailed video in the future about all the features of EthFinex and EthFinex, but for the time being, your login details are the same, guys. Your two-factor authentication is the same. The coins that you have will be the same on both. In the future, they want to move to that decentralized model where we'll have no coins stored on them at all. So let's go over this Nectar token just quickly. As I said, no ICO, they'll be dropping it to people that are using the platform. So here's the first 10 coins that we can choose to vote on. And by having some Nectar tokens in your wallet, the people that have been using the platform and so on, in your MetaMask, your Ledger, or your Keystore file, if you save that on your computer, you can connect and you can vote on what coin you want to get listed next. So pretty cool stuff. But you can also earn Nectar by being an active member of the community. So getting involved with the discussions about different coins, all that sort of thing, guys. Being a market maker, doing proposals, maybe the community thinks it's a good idea to do an airdrop to get more people on board. All those sort of things will get you the chance to earn those Nectar as a reward. So this is a pretty exciting model. I'll have my referral link below. I've just announced that program as well today. If you use that, guys, it sends me a few Nectar tokens, and in the future, I can help vote on the good coins. So let's say we want to get Power Ledger, Horizon State, good projects listed on there. That sort of gives you more influence by having more Nectar tokens. So hopefully I've explained that reasonably clear, guys. Pretty exciting one to keep an eye on. It gives you another option for more ERC20 tokens and hopefully more liquidity in the future as they incentivize more people to use this platform. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you've enjoyed that. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, share these videos around, and as always, thanks for tuning in, guys. Cheers.